When it comes to securing your crypto, you've probably heard about hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, and while they're convenient, they're also vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets are offline, but they're not all created equal. That's where ELLIPAL comes in. What makes ELLIPAL different is its air-gapped security. Imagine a device that has no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB, and no cellular connection. The ELLIPAL Cold Wallet is completely isolated from the internet. This means your private keys, the essential secret codes to your crypto, are never, ever exposed to online threats. So how do you transact with it? It's all done with QR codes. You use the ELLIPAL mobile app to create an unsigned transaction. The app generates a QR code. You then use the camera on the ELLIPAL device to scan that code, which signs the transaction offline. Then, the device displays a new QR code with the signed data, which you scan back with your phone to broadcast the transaction. It's a two-way, offline process that ensures your private keys never leave the device. Beyond the air-gap tech, ELLIPAL has some serious physical security. The device is fully metal sealed, making it tamper-proof. If anyone tries to physically break it open, a self-destruct mechanism wipes all the data, rendering it useless. This protects against supply chain attacks and physical theft. The user experience is also a big focus. The ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 has a large 4-inch touchscreen, making it easy to see and verify all your transaction details before you sign. No more squinting at a tiny screen or blind signing. The ELLIPAL supports over 10,000 coins and tokens across more than 40 blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many more. It also supports NFTs and allows you to connect to dApps through Wallet Connect, all while keeping your private keys safely offline. In a world where digital security is more important than ever, the ELLIPAL Cold Wallet offers a unique and robust solution. It's built for those who want the highest level of protection for their digital assets, combining convenience with uncompromising security.